we are closing here like this. Cassava and kaunga, the maize flour outcome, is what we are going to have for supper, is what we are going to prepare for supper today. So this is the process. Let's prepare this meal, and this is how I'm going to start. I'm boiling here water. This is the water that is going to be used to mix the cassava flour to come out with what we call kaunga. What do you call it in your language? Kenyans call it ugali, and I don't really know what it is called in English, but that is what it is. Please let me know what you call it in your language below in the comment section. More so, what we call it in English. What can I call it in English? The outcome of maize flour and water mixed together. That hard thing, not the porridge. This one, the hard one. Let me know what it is called. Let's dive into the video. Please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications. Let's grow the family, the road to 2,000 subscribers. So this is how we are starting. Peeling the cassava. Tokundora tinkwenda kwata enju ina myoti kwata kuno byenkusala usembeze hanze. I am done peeling the cassava, and the next part is I'm going to prepare kaunga. In English, I don't know what it is called. If you know what kaunga is called in English, please drop it in the comment section. But Kenyans call it ugali. Here we call it kaunga. It is corn flour mixed in warm water. The outcome is what they call ugali or kaunga. So let me know what it is called in English. So in English, so I'm going to put it on. I'm going to mingle the kaunga. After mingling it, put it back. It's like, what can I call this system? It's like when you prepare food, then leave it for some time. So this is what I'm going to do. I don't really know what it is called. Like when you prepare a chicken and then put it in an oven, after putting everything and leave it in an oven for some time. That is what I'm also going to do. After preparing the kaunga, I'm going to put it to cook it again, such that it comes out better. We're going to eat it with kaunga, sorry, with beans. So this is how I'm going to start. The water is already boiling. I'm going to get this, put it here with my mingling stick, come out with something that I don't know its name. It's called kaunga. Let's go. Akugezebwe shulera.
iwe bikulemerera.
Of course, the smoke is too much. That is the reason as to why my eyes are teary, and it is very normal if you're using firewood. This is not gas, this is not charcoal, it is firewood. That is the problem. Anyway, let's go on. You can also rate my cooking, or sorry, my mingling. Of course, I've done it justice. As far as I know, I've done it justice. Remember to like this video, give it a like, give it a like for me. Also remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Let's grow the family. Share, let's grow this very channel. We're almost there. So there is another video I made about cooking. I already showed you how this is done and gave you the reasons as to why I think it is done. So you can check down below in the videos below, then see how I did this. Also, I'm going to put this kaunga, Kenyans call it ugali. I showed you each and every step yesterday why we do this and gave my reasons as to why I think this system is done, and we are going to do this way. Why I think it's done like this. So I'm going to get this ugali, put it straight here, and yeah, I'll be showing you each and every other step. It is the same step, different food. Yeah, this is it. Give it a like, share, and let's grow the family. At this moment, the kaunga is ready, and I'm going to be putting it here. That's where I'm going to be transferring it. This is it. So this is where it's going to stay till it is ready, and no more wasting time. Same style, we are closing here like this. Like this. We are closing here like this, then we are going to put our cassava onto here. Our cassava here. this is where we are putting our cassava. So after putting our cassava here, we bring a banana leaf, put it here like this. This way we are done. So we have to put this here like this to prevent the loss of moisture. To prevent the loss of steam. And we are ready. Our food is ready. We are going to put it on this fire, add more firewood, call it supper. That is the video. That's how the video was. Please remember to like it. If you have watched it to this very end, you are a real MVP. And please remember to subscribe to the channel for more videos from me. I think I might end it here. Peace. When the banana leaves turn this way, the food is ready. And I'm going to take it off. Thank you for watching to this end. If you haven't liked the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's grow the family.